Today we want to talk briefly about the YCS 100% reinforced 14 mil vapor barrier. We've made a few changes to this product for 2021. It's one of our best selling products for fully encapsulated crawl spaces. We've added some coating to the white side to give a little more perm rating to the product, also make it a little bit wider. The product's still going to come in two main sizes, 12 foot by 100 and 6 foot by 100. The YCS 14 mil vapor barrier weighs almost 47 pounds per 1,000 feet. As always, the product is going to be 100% reinforced, not string reinforced like most competitive products. You can see it's got great puncture resistance. Also, it has great tear strength. Very difficult to tear it once it's been punctured. If you have any questions about the YCS 100% reinforced 14 mil vapor barrier, visit our website or give us a call today.